Bring yourself to a comfortable lying down or seated position. Making sure you're very comfortable. And take your hands down onto your lower abdominals, placing them just above the womb area. Relax the jaw and the shoulders. And now relax the pelvic floor. And as you breathe in and let your tummy relax and expand. Breathing in through the nose very gently and quietly. As you breathe in, letting your belly gently expand. And noticing now, if you are experiencing any pain in a certain area, bring your awareness to that area rather than trying to resist it and ignore it, and as a result, tightening that area. Bring your attention right to that point of tenderness and pain. And as you bring your awareness there, breathe into it. Not trying to resist, allowing yourself to feel the sensation and to gently breathe into it. Noticing as you bring your awareness and your sense of breath, you allow the area to soften, and as a result, the sensation, the pain, melts and starts to expand and evaporate. Instead of the whole body tightening each breath you take, your whole self is softening and there's this sense of flowing. Staying with the tenderness as long as you need to. Breathing gently into the area and breathing out. Feeling that with each breath you take and every moment of awareness and presence you give your pelvis, noticing that it has a healing effect. So with each breath you take now, imagining, feeling that sensation of healing to your womb and your pelvis, allowing everything to fully relax. And if you get another wave of pain or cramping, going with that, breathing into it and being present with whatever is here. What does your body want you to just acknowledge and feel for today? And once you have given it your presence, does it start to melt away? So breathing in gently through the nose, letting your belly expand. Breathing out with this sensation of softening in your pelvis. Breathing in and letting your pelvic floor relax. Breathing out, softening. And then finally imagining a soothing golden liquid moving inside of the pelvis. Feel the softness of that flowing golden liquid. The whole interior of the pelvis soft and flowing. And with every breath you take, this sense of expansion of the pelvis, and soft flowing energy, golden liquid moving, swirling around in the pelvis. Finally, bringing your attention up into the heart center and just noticing, are there any emotions there that want to be acknowledged today? Even if you can't put a label on it, feeling the energy of the motion, the emotion in the heart center with tenderness and presence. And let's finish our meditation by breathing into the heart center 3 times. Breathing in through the nose and gently out through the mouth. Imagining clearing out the heart center. Breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. And breathing in and out. Coming back to your normal breath now, and just knowing that whenever you need it, you have this medicinal practice to come back to any point throughout the day that you're feeling discomfort. Bring your awareness and your breath to the place of pain. Thank you for joining me today, and please let me know how you got on, and if you experienced any positive benefits from this meditation, please comment and share your experience. And do let me know if you have any questions. My name is Alice Bowmaker, and I look forward to joining you again soon. Thank you.